Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, and of course, DryerBuzz Eats. Now, our fried green tomatoes gets a lot of buzz. We talk about it a lot. So we're going to tell you a couple steps and show you how we make them. So get your fried green tomato, one small green tomato, just a little bit of pimento cheese, your flavor spices for your magic mix. Here we took some meal and mixed it with two of our favorite Dr. Flavor spices, the Creole Delight and the new Nola Twist. Look at that smoked paprika up in there. Just get that mix going good. Now, I like to use broth instead of an egg wash. You can decide, but I usually just dip mine in the broth, then go right to my magic mix, right? And so we decided to fry these off in some canola oil. Got my Chef Man pan. Now that pan gets hot quick. You just take your slices, slice up your tomato, put your pimento cheese in between the two, dip it quickly into your broth just to get it nice and wet, and then into your magic mix, which is whatever you like. I like meal. Some people like a little flour. I like my Dr. Flavor spices up in there as well. Get all your little sandwiches together because they fry pretty quickly. You're going to see here in just a second. Put them all in the pan. Let them get that nice sizzle, golden brown. Stop talking like I talk, or else you're going to end up with some dark patches. But, it doesn't come out all gorgeous, but it is absolutely delicious. That's how we make our stuffed pimento fried green tomatoes.